So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. Look at all that hair. Looks like she might be getting a bob. Yes. This is absolutely gorgeous. And you can never go wrong with a classic bob style. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some unforgettable hair transformations. So it looks like we have someone else who decided to get a bob. I like how this features a nice swoop bang going there in the front to frame out the face. It also features a nice angle, and her highlights look amazing. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, someone came to the salon with a bun and a scrunchie in their hair. Ooh, gorgeous longer pixie style with the feathered bangs. Oh, this looks amazing. And she can, of course, play around with the hair. Lots of options with this haircut style. Very nice. Her hair looks so good, the stylist can't stop playing with it. So then we see someone with shoulder length hair. And she shakes things up with this nice pixie style. Baby bangs going there in the front. A bit of a pixie fade with this one. Very nice. Next up, we have someone who has a grown out pixie. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. And she's got her natural salt and pepper here. Very nice. Such a beautiful pixie style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hair ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.